Alright, so here comes my rookie driver with the GTR. Gonna make you guys hear how it sounds and get a better look in the sunlight. Hope it's a better look. So I'm gonna give you another quick walk around. So yeah. Sure you can hear that exhaust. Yeah, hear that turbo. Hear that turbo whining away. Alright, I just want you to fire it up one more time. Let's get one more sound check on that exhaust. Alright, I'll let you guys hear the exhaust up. Crazy. Alright, well folks, that's it for today. Showing you guys a GTR. Stay tuned. I'll definitely be bringing more sweet looking cars to you.